welcome to rainy season in beautiful Bangkok. This is a product demo video and we're going to be showing you the first version of the Anything app. It's actually still called Youpinion back then. So the reason we're doing this is so you'll develop an understanding of the leaps and bounds we've made in a short amount of time using lean methodology. And that will also perhaps put in perspective the kind of steps that we're going to make in the future. So that being said, let's go take a look at the previous version of the Anything app. So this is the first iteration of the Anything app. Back then we were still called Youpinion before we rebranded. You can see that the homepage here is quite conversion focused. So we used to give you a lot of profiles that you could click, and we've kind of stepped away from that to make it more easy on the eyes. And we've incorporated this more in our new homepage, and this is essentially a discovery page. So we change the profile, we give discounts if you call these people, just to keep you engaged with the app and also to teach you how useful the Anything app can be in your life for you. So we had messaging here as well, before and after the call. Now we've put that together in one tab, and we have some favorites. So right now I have 4 favorites, but if I don't like Ellie anymore, poof, she's gone. This tab has my own profile. I have a little introduction, you can see my prices, you can see my rating, so it's all quite clear. I have my reviews, and I have how I verified myself on social media. And we go back to the homepage, we have more buttons here, so you have your own financial balance. Also you have your Anycoin count, but then they were still quite simply called points. So you'd use these to buy boosters and call people as well. Here we'd have your completed transactions that you had, so you can look back at everything that you've done. And you'd have your on and off switch. Okay, let's go take a look at the search. So for example, let's try shopping. Okay, it's not massive, it's just one. There we go. I should remind you, these are actually dummy accounts. There we go. So she has 2 topics that she will help you with. And you can see some reviews that she's gotten, how she's verified herself again on social media. You can check out her little video, and also if you want to contact her, you can send her a question before you actually start calling.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to call a friend of mine who's not expecting a call at all. Right now I have $301 in my account. Of course I have her in favorites. There we go. I'm going to video call with her. And I think it's not going to take a long time, so I select 1 minute. You can choose between payment with credit or with Anycoin. You're going to pay with USD for 1 minute.
He's expecting to talk with me for 1 minute, as we see on the screen, and my rate is 25 cents per minute. Hey, hello, how are you?
Hey, I'm good, thank you. I'm gonna hang up now.
Bye-bye, talk to you later.
Bye-bye. Now we can see she will have the choice to either accept or decline payments. So in this case she has accepted my payment of 25 cents for 1 minute, and I'm going to of course leave her a positive review. So of course I'm going to give her 5 stars, and normally I'll be a bit more thorough. In this case I'll just say hi and send a review. So that is the first Anything app prototype. Be sure to also check out our other video on the current iteration of the Anything app. Thank you.